Are you ever doing a customer a favor by just replacing one caliper? It's a tough question. The thing you have to keep in mind is that both calipers on a front or a rear have both traveled the same distance. And chances are if one's failed, the other one may not be that far behind. But another thing to think about is think about the hydraulic nature of brakes. When the customer presses on that brake pedal and generates hydraulic force, that hydraulic force is equal between the left and the right. Easy to remember. So if one caliper does not grip the same way and use the hydraulic force the same way as the other, well, the vehicle is going to pull in one direction or the other. It all depends on which caliper can generate the most amount of force. So think of it this way. Would you replace brake pads in only one corner of the vehicle? No, you wouldn't, because you know that the hydraulic force and the friction generated is not going to be the same side to side. This is why it's also critical to replace calipers and pairs on a vehicle. Doing one, well, it doesn't do the customer a favor. In fact, you could be causing a comeback to your shop when that customer starts to have a brake pull on their vehicle. It could start as soon as they drive out of the driveway for your shop. So just keep this in mind and replace calipers and pairs. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.